Hi guys, it's Kylie with Pure Plumbing. I'm here with Cassie. Hi. And we are here to show you a sewer replacement. I'm going to flip the camera around so we can ask Juan a few questions and he can walk us through the process. Hey Juan.
Hi.
Alright, so tell us a little bit about what we're doing today at this property.
So today we're doing a sewer replacement. Customer called because he was having several issues with his drains. Several of his drains were not draining. As a matter of fact, some were not draining at all for quite some time. And if you look over here, you can see some of this is actually the kitchen drain. As you can see, He was completely clogged. For several years, he had not used his kitchen. So he had to resort to other means of draining. And here's some of the pipe that we were replacing from his bathroom. As you can see, some of it is already broken, cracked, and almost falling apart. Or actually falling apart, yeah. So this is what we're doing today. We're actually doing a whole home sewer replacement. And we will be tying into the main. And this is where we're going to be tying in. This is the main right here. And as you can see, we already have the trench going. And we have some more trenching going on. We have some of our crew inside already starting to build the plumbing in the bathrooms, which are back to back.
Okay, awesome. So this house was built in 1964, right?
That's correct.
So does that mean that we had to do some sort of asbestos testing?
Yes, the house tested hot for asbestos. And when we have asbestos, it's very dangerous when we're trying to cut into it. So we do not cut into it. We have an abatement team come in and they take care of that for us.
Okay, perfect. And that's all been taken care of and everything?
That's been taken care of beforehand. So once they come in, they let us know that they've cut out all the drywall that is contaminated with asbestos, and that's when we come in and do our work.
Okay, perfect. So the customer, obviously had some drain issues, found Pure Plumbing on Yelp, and then you provided some different options, correct?
That's correct.
Okay. So what are we working on today?
We are doing, what we're doing right here, we already saw cut most of it, actually all of it. So what we're going to do today is be just cutting out sections of the trench, and we're going to be laying our pipe through here. And everything's pretty much saw cut. And right now we're working on just removing the concrete slabs that we're cutting out in sections and digging it out.
Oh wow, this is a big project.
And you can see back there, that's the bathroom, the back-to-back bathroom over there.
Oh wow.
Now watch your step.
This is like a maze back here. Alright, wow. There you have it, guys. We really are live doing some plumbing work.
Alright.
Hi gentlemen, great work here.
This is Adam, that's Cody over there. And they're already starting to build the back-to-back bathroom in here. So as you can see, it is a pretty big job. And as you can see here, this is the section that was removed that was hot for asbestos, and we never want to touch that. We want to have a professional team come in and remove that so we can protect the homeowner and our team.
Good to know.
You never want to cut into that, and that's for safety, health reasons.
Definitely. Good information. Well, let's get out of their hair.
Watch your step.
Pretty crazy. So how long is this project? Like, when do you plan on being finished with it?
Well, we plan on being done with laying the pipe by this evening. It does look like it's a lot of work here, but once we get these sections out, we'll be able to just dig out this dirt. Fortunately, this dirt's a little bit soft, so we will be able to finish this and start laying the pipe. The team in there is already building that, so from there we'll be able to move our way up to the main. And this section over here is already dug up. We already started putting together the kitchen piping. That's already done in there. All we need to do is bring the line out and start grading it down to the main.
Wow. So does this require any inspections or permits to be pulled?
Yes, it's very important that you have a city inspector come out and inspect your lines inspect our work, and that's just to make sure and ensure that our work is done right and the plumbing will be perfect and flawless for the future.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, Juan. I'm going to flip it back and say goodbye to our audience, and we
You're
shall
welcome.
see you next time. Bye, guys. Thank you for tuning in. We really appreciate it. As always, leave some feedback, questions, comments. Let us know what you'd like to see next time. And always,
Keep your plumbing pure.
see you next week, guys.
Bye.
Bye.